What's happening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam, this is Vancity Audi, and in this video I'm going to try to keep my talking to a bare minimum and let my car do the talking instead. This video is going to be all about sound, and that is it. I do realize that sound is a very, very subjective thing. There's nothing I can prove with data from either performance testing on the back roads of Mexico or data from a dyno. This is all very subjective. I love the way my car sounds, but you might hate it. So what I'm doing is I'm showing you guys what the car sounds like now that we have the IE downpipe as well as the IE midpipes installed. I am probably not going to mess with my exhaust because I don't like loud cars. I just want more of a better exhaust note, a little more aggressive, a little more growl, but nothing just obnoxious. And I personally love the way this car sounds. So what I'm going to do today is exactly like I did with the before and after midpipe install. I'll share with you guys what the car sounded like when it was stock, then when we installed the midpipes, and now what it sounds like with the downpipe and the midpipes installed. And you guys will be able to make a choice whether you like it or not. Let me know in the comments below, but here we go. There you go, guys. A lot of vroom vroom, bitches. Non-stop pulls, non-stop shifts. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know I did. I enjoy making this stuff for you guys. As much as I'm all about data, performance, numbers, being able to prove things to you guys, I want to give you guys something like this too, where you can just enjoy it and see if you enjoy the sound subjectively. Do you like it? Do you hate it? It's up to you guys. Nothing I can prove to you to say it sounds better than anything else. But if you guys do like it, maybe it's something you'll want to pick up for yourself and make your car sound the exact same way. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and until next time, take care.